Today I'm going to show you a great solution for a sliding glass door. This is our vertical cellular application, and it is on a track system, and it's great because all you have to do is just open and close them with the track. They glide really nice and easy. And one thing that's really nice with the vertical cell compared to any other products, when it's closed, it has a really nice tight fit, so it's going to give you the full visibility to outside. And also, if you look from the side, you'll see that it's not going to stick off the door very far compared to like a vertical blind. So this is a great solution. Now, they come one of two ways. You can either get this in a light filtering, so when the shade is closed, it'll still allow some light to come through the shade, or you can do this in a room darkening. So great solution for the sliding glass door.